Tired of unreliable trash pickup? Choose a service you can count on. Rock Solid Waste. We provide dependable, affordable trash service for homes and small businesses with clean, professional equipment and friendly local support. When we say on time, we mean every time. Call today for a free quote at 731 420 4451. That's 731 420 4451. Or visit rocksolid.com. Rock Solid Waste, taking the trash out of your worries. And now to Jerry Mack for the forecast.
All right, Karen, thanks for that. Rock Solid Waste is a sponsor for this morning's weathercast. So, heat advisory for today. We got a few counties: Lake, Obion, Weakley, Dyer, Gibson, Crockett, Lauderdale, Tipton, Haywood, Shelby, and Fayette counties are all under that heat advisory. It's going to go through 8 p.m. today. So again, take frequent breaks, avoid strenuous activity during the hardest part of the day, never leave kids or pets unattended, wear those light those light, loose fitted clothing, and make sure and drink plenty of fluids if you're going to be out and about in this heat today. All right, severe weather outlook. We just got a few counties that are under that marginal risk, which is a level one. Again, just like yesterday, doesn't mean if you're just in the general thunderstorm risk that you're not going to see some strong thunderstorms. You can still see some strong ones. We got special weather statements and stuff in areas yesterday. So again, just because not in the marginal doesn't mean we can't see a strong thunderstorm today. Anywhere in West Tennessee, will kind of be isolated to scattered in nature, kind of like what they were yesterday. They kind of pop up and some of them actually kind of stay stationary, almost like they don't move. So we'll be dealing with that again today. Wind gust again is a primary concern with any thunderstorm, cloud to ground lightning, um, and some heavy rainfall. If you get into a storm that's really a really heavy thunderstorm that is producing a lot of rainfall, and again that's going to be mainly for the afternoon and into the evening. Take a look at satellite. Kind of cool here. Know everybody's into this or not, but some of these cells you see down here, these are actually some thunderstorms that are blossoming down in Mississippi and back over to our west. We're going to have some partly cloudy skies, it looks like today. Some areas will see maybe a little more sunshine than others, but just in general, today we'll call it a partly cloudy day. This can also is on our website. Hopefully, everybody is keeping checking the website out. It stays updated with the latest information as well. So check the website out. We got live camera feeds in there and all kind of good stuff for you to enjoy there. All right, let's take a look at Futurecast for today. We'll put a timing out on this, kind of see how it is. Again, look at your time up here at the top and then the date. So this does initialize pretty good. Um, it starts to get these showers and storms really going as we get into the early afternoon and even lasting into the later evening. And then it kind of clears on out. Now, this doesn't pick up on a lot of rainfall for tomorrow. I do think we're still going to have a chance tomorrow for some scattered showers, kind of again in the peak heating of the day. Now, this does have some blossoming like this. It doesn't show a lot, but I do think we'll have a chance for some tomorrow as well. Again, scattered to isolated in nature. Um, and again, as we get into This kind of stops at 4 a.m. I think. No, it keeps going. This is the 48. This is the little longer one. So it stops at 7 a.m. there on Tuesday. So again, chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and even into tomorrow afternoon as well. Scattered to isolated. So rain chances over the next 12 hours, like I said, they do start to increase as we get into the early afternoon, and they do linger into the evening hours. It'll be kind of like last night. I actually thought last night we would be kind of wrapping down with some of those shower activities, but looks like our northern counties kind of got stuck with some of that rain activity. I know some areas in around Paris and Henry County, and even Gibson County around Dyer and Weakley County. Some of those areas were still dealing with those showers as we started getting those firework activity last night. I really thought it would taper on off, but some of that stuff stuck around a little bit longer than was what really was anticipated. So hopefully everybody got to enjoy some fireworks shows last night. I know I know more if you was more to the south, especially south of Interstate 40, was a lot the activity was a lot less. The further up north you was, like I said, we did deal with it. But hopefully everybody was able to enjoy the fourth, get those fireworks um, done before the rain hit. Um, but again, rain chances for the next 12 hours. Good thing is, after we get all this rain for the week, we're actually going to have rain chances pretty much all week, except for Tuesday and Wednesday. But we'll get some much needed relief from some of this heat and humidity too. So for today, we'll call it partly sunny, chance for showers and storms, high of 91. Again, heat advisory for the counties that I talked about earlier. If you're in that heat advisory, you could see heat indices of up to 105. West winds at about 5. Overnight tonight, we'll call it partly cloudy with a chance of showers and storms. West wind at about 5. Overnight low of 70. And the 7 day, the chances for Monday are a lot less at about 40. That's why it wasn't really depicting a lot on the future radar there. But like I said, I do think we're going to see some isolated showers chances there to pop up somewhere on Monday as well. There'll be a lot less, I feel like, a lot less. Um, and as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, there, we only got a 20% chance. Can't completely rule out a pop up isolated shower, but notice we're a little cooler. We're in those upper 80s to low 90s there, so much cooler. And then we got a little bit better chances for rain as we get into the end of the week there again with some 60 and 50% chances. So Monday's is looking pretty good. Again, I do think we'll have a chance to see an isolated shower on Monday as well. Just maybe not as much coverage as what we potentially are going to see today. But isolated shower chances pretty much all week. Better chances we get obviously today and then into the end of the week. Everybody have a good day today.